Hi everybody. So in this video we are going to look at how we can configure global search in your Dynamics CRM organization. So in the previous video we have seen what the use of global search. So global search is a feature introduced in Dynamics CRM 2015 using which CRM users can do keyword based search for the records, and it will show you the result across multiple record types at the same time. So now let's see how we can configure it for record. So by default, the global search, once you do searching, it will show you the records. It will show you the result based on the record for which global search is enabled. So as per your business requirement, you can configure the global search, and you can also decide which all the entities for which global search need to be enabled. So let's see how we can configure this. So let's navigate to settings, administration, and system settings, and let's go to the general section, scroll down, and you'll find setup quick find. Right, so here again select entity for search. You just need to click the select button. So it will give an option to select the entities for which global search need to be configured. So here it is written you can include up to 10 entities in a multi-entity quick find. That's the name they use, multi-entity quick find or global search we can say. So these are the selected entities for which the multi-entity quick find is available now. So custom entities also included and some other entities. So if I need to remove some item here, I can remove them, and if I need to add some items, I can add them. Right, but only up to 10 entities. Right, just click OK, so that next time when you use your multi-entity quick find, it will show you the result based on the entity that you have just selected. Right, now other thing that you can configure here is what all the details that will be displayed here. For example, here for the lead, it is showing the topic of the lead, then the name of the lead, as well as the company from for which the lead is created. So only 3 fields or column names, column details will be displayed in the sales result that you can change. So for that one you need to configure the quick find view, and you need to decide which all the columns need to be configured. So let's navigate to customization, default setting, and for example if I need to change it for leads, I need to navigate to leads, and I need to go to the views, and to go to quick find all leads. Right, here I need to click change the add find columns details. So you can see, if I go through it, you can see, yeah, the company name is selected, the first name is selected, and the last name. So here the limitation is only for the first 3 columns which will be selected here, that is topic, name, and company name. I can have any number of columns added, but only the first 3 columns will be displayed. Right, so that is a hard limit we have. So if I want to display the email ID here, I can just remove it here, so that next time it will be displayed topic, email, and name. I just need to save and close. Then publish all customization. Jump back to the home page, refresh it, and next time when I do the searching, so for the lead it will be changed. You can see it will be the topic, the email ID, and the company name. Yeah, so this is how you can configure global search as per your requirement. We have seen how we can include the entities, or we can customize it up to 10 entities in the search results. Also what all the column name that you need to be displayed on the search result. I hope it is clear how we can configure the global search and how we can display the details for each of the result.